How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today, I'm going to look at upgraded office chair wheels. Is one wheel better or is two wheels better? Grip onto it. You can use a towel if you want and just kind of wiggle it out. If it's too hard, you might want to use some leverage, use a screwdriver, just kind of wedge it out a little bit at a time, and then you can pull the rest out like that. What works really well is a hammer. You just wedge one side to it and you just kind of pull it out like a nail. Most office chairs is gonna have the same exact pin like this. You just push in the new one and it's done. It's almost a little bit too smooth because you want a little bit of friction to keep your chair where it's at your desk. Overall quieter and super smooth. Do these wheels work on carpet? Maybe like 20% better, but you gotta push with significant force to go anywhere with this one. You got almost all the rubber sinking into the carpet, giving you a lot of friction. This is very, very good for tiles, hardwood floors, and even office carpet, which is really, really short and hard. For home carpet like this, you don't really need these wheels. Push in the new one, and it's done. Does it roll better? No. It's just as bad as the original wheels, but let's check it out on the tile. I'd say it's pretty good. I can put my feet down and push it even a little bit and it won't budge because I like a little bit of resistance so your chair just don't go on rolling everywhere. I'd say the single wheel one is a bit quieter and slightly less rolling friction. The double wheel is actually lower profile than my regular wheel. Because these wheels make the entire chair a little bit lower to the ground, it actually makes the center post scrape along the carpet. This is not a good thing. The single wheel actually makes your chair about 1 inch higher. This is good because it keeps the center post off the floor. If you guys are interested in either of these wheels, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Hope this video helps you guys out. Until next time.